we came out for tea to sit in the garden, have a nice cup of tea, and we realized कि यहाँ पे ना शिकारा खड़ी हुई है हमारे property के dock पे. And I realized this is actually our property's Mali, who is sitting here and working, who is rowing his shikara to work. तो ये आपकी खुद की शिकारा है? तो इसको आप लेके जाते हैं जहाँ जहाँ आप काम करते हैं? ये काम छोड़ता है फिर जाता है शिकारे में. अभी हम यही बोल रहे थे सबको कि आपके माली ने बहुत सुंदर गार्डन कर रखा है. Mornings here in the property are so pretty. So guys, दार एस सलाम एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत प्रॉपर्टी है जो कि निगीन लेक पर है. The approach road is very unassuming and it is just like a gate entry on a busy road. But once you enter, you literally have landed yourself in a beautiful little heritage heaven. ये हरीसा है.
Yeah.
और ये
baked beans.
baked beans नहीं, ये नॉन वेजिटेरियन है कुछ.
हाँ वो नॉन वेजिटेरियन है, यहाँ पे वेज है.
ये छोला, पोहा, आलू, some cereal, आलू पराठा. इसमें क्या है? Juices. So good. है ना? ये क्या है? आलू मटर गोभी. और ये कीमा बहुत अच्छा लगा मेरे दोस्तों को. मैं ज़रूर खाना चाहूँगी पर अभी नहीं. अभी मैं खाऊँगी इस ब्रेड को क्या बोलते हैं? क्रिप्स के साथ मैं खाऊँगी जैम एंड मार्मलेड एंड कावा. This property is generally very very pretty. Like this is your dining area. So we are right at the Nigeen Lake and their garden is to die for. It's just really pretty. I don't know how much of it can you see through the glass and the camera right now. पर ये 1942 की एक प्रॉपर्टी है जो इनकम टैक्स कमिश्नर थे उस टाइम के, उन्होंने बनाई थी. And 72 में it got converted into a homestay. Excuse me, लेक व्यू रूम. उन्होंने बोला पिक्चर्स लेने के लिए लेक व्यू रूम ये है. ठीक है, एक सेकेंड आए. I'm sorry if I'm doing a bad job showing you the property, but this is like again a seating area on the first floor. This is the view from the first floor. It's beautiful. And let's go and see the lake view room. Look at them. Oh my god, these plates are so beautiful. I love wall decor. I love wall plates. This is the lake view room. Waking up to this view. So lovely. That's the cupboard. You get some decent storage. Look at the ceiling. The loo is nice and big. Another best part about the property are these cute kettles. This is a ceramic kettle, Morphe Richards ka. I will totally buy this if I get my hands on it. And yeah, so the tariff is the same for all the rooms, I guess. Let me confirm that, and I will leave the link of the property in the description box. And yes, हम लोग ऊपर नहीं रह रहे हैं because Gudiya, my sister-in-law, has managed to hurt her foot. So for us, climbing up and down the stairs will be a task. Hence. And look at this grandfather's clock on the ceiling. It's just amazing. The food is also very good. बाहर भी लें. So, oh wow. So that's the tree we get to see from our room window. Look at this. The roses here are crazy. Oh my god, this is so pretty. So this is not a sponsored content, guys. I just like looking for properties which satisfy my old soul that I am. Basically, it's not your very young hip property. It's a old world charm vintage property. तो अगर आपको ये प्रॉपर्टी पसंद आए तो लिंक चेक करें या मेरे ब्लॉग को चेक करें. So this is a paper mache product. And look at this carpet also. Oh my god, such a pretty carpet.